Ssenyonyi went to Iraq to pay a visit to one of our colleagues, one of our lawyers, Counsel George Musisi, who's been very involved in many cases of our supporters and so on. He lives in Iraq municipality. So he went to pay him a visit and his family. And of course, when people got to learn that Honorable Kyagulanyi was in the area, people began to gather the case. Eventually, after the visit, he said hello to a couple of our leaders. So he did his farewell and he set out to depart. As he was proceeding, of course, many people had gotten to know that he was in the area, so people began to gather. As they gathered, police and the military began to fire tear gas, live ammunition, and so on and so forth. Several projectiles. So tear gas now got into the car that he was in, and because of that discomfort, he got out. Also to try and engage the officers who were doing this to say, look, why exactly are you doing this? I went to visit somebody, I'm on my way home. These people have gathered, but that does not necessitate you treating me and these people the way you are doing. So shortly after he got out of the car, these people, in a very short range situation, aimed at him with a projectile that hit his left leg and caused a blunt image injury, as the doctors have explained. So he's got a wound thereon. The bone was bruised, but thankfully it did not break. But then fragments of that canister, because these canisters, they're like grenades of sorts. They explode. So it hit him and then exploded. And fragments of that canister got into his leg. So the doctors have showed us the X-ray, and they are saying he's going to require further surgery to get those fragments out of his leg. He's in a lot of pain. Thankfully, he is alive. That's the most important thing. But he's in severe pain because of that injury that was meted out on him. Unnecessary. Sometimes we keep wondering why some of the men and women in uniform get excited and do things anyhow. I have seen the police report. I've seen the police has released a statement on social media, and they are in a very preposterous manner saying that no, the Honorable Kyagulanyi was getting into his car, then he stumbled and fell. Can you imagine? Surely, even when you want to conclude something, you can be smarter than that. So to say that no, this man was getting into his car, he stumbled and fell. That's how he got the injury that he got. How about the fragments that are in his leg? How about the burn? Because many of you that have seen the image, you could see that his trousers got burned because of that effect. This thing is like a grenade. It's very unfortunate that the police and the military behave the way they do to leaders, to citizens, and then they come out and try and concoct a story around it. It's ridiculous and even laughable, annoying as it is. But anyhow, our leader is out of danger. That's the most important thing. Still in severe pain. The doctors tell us that yes, he'll go through some surgeries to get those fragments out, and he will be fine. He's thankful to all those who are sending in prayers, those who are concerned about the situation, but he will be all right. That's the most important thing.
That's good. Uganda.
Kunaku lwaleero mukulembeze waffe Honorable Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert ayinze ekira municipality tukyalira omu ku bakulembeze baffe George Musisi, oyo omu ku balooya baffe abazze bayamba abantu baffe bakutte kusanga egyenjawulo agibaddemu nnyo, so agenza okumukyalira kubanga alina amaka kukira municipality era baddeyo n'abantu abalala abakulembeze abamu. Bwamaliriza bakyalira nga avaayo, kosa abantu bategedde nti ali mu kitundu ekyo, ne bakuŋŋaana bangi nga bwe kiseera okubeera, n'atandika okufuluma kati abantu ne beeyongera bangi polisi n'amagye nga babaddewo awo nga balinga abamulindiridde bategedde nti ali mu kitundu ne batandika okuba tiyagaasi n'amasasi naki kakati omukka okubalagala guyingidde ne mu mmotoka ye kati olw'embeera eyo ne discomfort n'afulumamu mmotoka muyitiriddeko then okugezaako okuengaginga abantu bannaye lwaki mweyisa bwe butyo kubanga nzize okukyalira mukwano gwange mukulembeze munnange ndi mukuvaawo lwaki kale temuntemera ekkubo oba abantu bayitiridde obungi mpitewo ŋŋende kakati awo nga yakava mu mmotoka ye short range awo ne bamukuba kitiyagaasi kanisa nga kigenderere nga bumulayo ebifaananyi kiyinziza ebifaananyi kigyokya kimuteekako ekiwundu ekinene abasawo batugambye nti ekkumba ekyomukisa omulungi terimenyese naye nga likoseddwa ayina ebipapajjo bya tiyagaasi kanisa eno ebimuli mu mubiri kubanga abasawo batulaze x-ray era ne batugamba nti agenda kwetaaga surgery okugyamu ebipapajjo bino ebimuyingiddemu ne bayinza bijjamu kati bamukozeko first aid n'ebirala ne bamuwa pain killers ebiri strong kuba ali mu bulumi obw'amaanyi okumwebasa naye batugambye nti ajja kwetaaga surgery nnaku eziddako awo okugyamu ebipapajjo bino